how you doing? This is the Phantom 81. Key boomstick on a 75% keyboard with a golden knob. It is a crystal gasket mount designed mic. It has an amazing black and gold aesthetic, but they also come with different colorways like yellow and white crystals. Also, I think they're coming out with a purple variant too, based on their Instagram announcement. All of its colorway comes with a custom crystal keycap set, which is completely see-through with printed legends on it. Another thing that KeyBoom crystallized are the switches. They're linears and they feel pretty decent if you ask me. I might make a separate video on it, so be on the lookout for that. The board is built with a fiberglass chassis, although I'm not quite sure if the glass-like material they use is actually fiberglass, but I think it's way too tough just to be acrylic. For my favorite part of the aesthetic is the brass weight at the bottom. This is probably the very first board I had personally that has a brass weight to it, and I don't think I'll ever go back to lightweight boards. Aside from it being gasket mounted with this thick silicone, it also comes with a brass plate that definitely adds to the heavy weight. I also forgot to mention that this board is around 1400 grams, which is also 3 pounds. Anyway, this board is USB-C, which is not a surprise at this price point. Completely customizable because of its hot swap sockets. Plus it's south-facing, so no need to worry about keycap interference. And what KeyBoom did to add portability with the Beast is the Bluetooth 5.0 and the 2.4 gigahertz wireless option. You can use it anywhere, anytime, as long as you charge the 4000 milliampere battery that comes along in it. The Phantom 81 also comes with a software for Mac and Windows, so you can completely utilize the RGB this hefty thing has to offer. You can also use it as a lamp if you really want to get your money's worth. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We are trying to get monetized again this year for unlimited keyboard content, plus so I can pay my rent. Kidding aside, honestly, I feel like this board is in a very awkward position in the custom keyboard community, but it's a perfect endgame board for someone who's really tired of spending and experimenting on different boards, because this has almost everything that the keyboard community is asking for. Gasket mount for a consistent clackety clack, functionality due to its 75% body, a very hot aesthetic, a very strong RGB, which is also completely customizable via their software, or you could just completely turn it off forever. A very high quality build, south-facing LED, hot swap sockets, screw and stab support, of course, and last but not least, the golden knob. What's really great about this keyboard is it sounds great out of the box, and modding it is just a personal preference at this point. I'll be coming out with a Switch review too, so be on the lookout for that. I am gonna be reviewing KeyBoom's Taro tactiles and their linears, which are the matcha lattes. So